Hi guys, here we've got Apple iPad Air 5th edition, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer on this device. So first of all, you need to locate and open your camera app, then find the timer icon right here. So this is the one, tap on it and you can pick 3 or 10 seconds delay. Let me pick 3 seconds, then if you tap on it, the picture will be grabbed after this countdown. So it has been done. Then you can also pick 10 seconds just to check how it works. You will be able to see the countdown, so it's working just the same. And after that, the picture is grabbed. And that's it. To turn it off, just mark this first switcher, which is for the activation, and now the picture will be grabbed right after you click. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can use camera timer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.